Not gonna hold y'all. This is a little weird filming. It's been a minute. Okay, it's been a complete minute. Like, I have gone through the seasons with these braids. I have literally had braids in my hair since September. So yeah, this is weird. But anyways, obviously I have finished styling this wig, and this is what you got. Okay, not what you got, what I got. This is what I got. So if you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. I'm not gonna hold you. I've been in my Leo mode. It's been a long time. Shouldn't have left you without a dope beat to step two, to step two, to step two, step two. Okay. I'm no Timberland. But anyways, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by RPGSHOW. You guys know RPGSHOW always come through with the come through. Baby, they never disappoint. And if I'm not mistaken, this is their Lagos hairline, which is like, oh my God, my dream hairline. Baby, I need all my wigs like this. Like, finally, it's a wig that I feel like I can personally wear without any type of adhesive. So as you guys can see, like, this unit is really just like giving. Like, the hairline just gives. It's perfect for somebody that has my type of hairline. Like, my hairline is giving Legos, okay? Okay, period. And I feel like it's giving Legos because I am 30% Nigerian, but we ain't gonna even get into that. Let's go ahead and get into the details and specs about this unit. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the details and specs about this unit. So it says texture is silky, length is 20 inches, the hair color is light picture, and to me this is giving like fall, winter vibes. That is why I chose this particular hair color. I love this type of hair color for this time of season. Now when it gets to be spring, I like a little blonde, a little bit of blonde, and I like to go very blonde in the summer. But right now I like a little darker color, and kind of like it feels like I'm transitioning. So I like to go very, very dark at the start of the winter, and then I just kind of like transition, and you can kind of see that transition into spring. Anyways, the cap size that I have is the cap size 1. It is a 13x6 drawstring wig. It's 200% density, and it's tinted transparent lace. Anyways, as far as the wig fitting me, I feel like it fits well. I feel like if you do have a small to medium head, definitely get the size 1. If you have a head that leans more so on the larger side, baby, get the large wig cap. Okay, go to size 2. But it also has this drawstring in the back, which is really, really beneficial, especially if you want to like have the wig half up, half down, or even in like a ponytail so you can work out in, or whatever you do, baby. I feel like this wig makes it where it's a very versatile wig. And as you guys can see with the parting space, like I could have went on down, like literally you're not gonna hit weft to all the way back here. I love that for me. But my favorite thing about this wig is the hairline. Like this hairline just really fits me, because literally my actual hairline goes back here and then out on the sides. So I really like that. It makes this wig like really easy to install. I don't have to worry about the normal things that I have to worry about with my particular hairline, because it kind of goes back and then up, like back up, like, yeah, I don't have to worry about this. None of that. None of the things with this wig. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, I have not received any of the things. Now, I did decide to apply my dry shampoo because it was giving kind of silky, and I like more of a, okay, so I did apply my dry shampoo because I like more of a bounce to my wigs. Like, I don't know, I don't like them to be super silky, so I did apply this 1000 Wishes dry shampoo, which is from Bath and Body Works. Plus it smells good, and I like my wigs smell good, okay, because I'm built under my man if I decide to take this wig off my head tonight. Okay, so I do like for it to smell good, but the dry shampoo stops it from being like extra silky, which is not my ministry. Okay, so if you want it silky, you can have that, but if not, dry shampoo is your friend, girl. But anyways, but there's not a lot of tangling, there's not a lot of shedding. Like the wig was super easy to install, all the things, and yeah, that's pretty much it. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all, so it may be because I'm just not coming back to the wig game, I don't know, but I have no cons with this wig. To me, this wig is everything. It is life. The hairline is everything. The color is everything. Like, I have no cons. So yeah, moving on. Now, the pros, on the other hand, are endless. Like I said, I feel like this is the type of wig you can wear like glueless. Like, as you guys can see, like the glue is not gluing over here, and I still feel like it looks really, really nice. The hairline is just perfect if you have the hairline like me. But if I'm not mistaken, you can choose what type of hairline you want when it comes to this particular unit. Like, if you don't have a hairline like me and you like, baby, I don't like Lego's hairline, if I'm not mistaken, honey, don't quote me on it, you can choose which hairline you want. But this hairline definitely works for me, and it's like my favorite thing about this unit, as well as the color, the texture, and the fact that I have so much space, parting space with this unit. So those are my pros. Obviously, I would recommend this wig. Baby, I ain't even have a con. Yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna give you guys a full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So y'all can let me know down below in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling it. If it's a look, it's a vibe for you. Sound off down below in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shout out to you, RPG Show, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl. That's all. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button, sis. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love folks next time. Bye.